Your new apartment won't truly feel like home until the lights turn on. So, in this part of the series, we are talking about electricity contracts, how they work, how to avoid overpaying, and how to choose the right provider. Before we dive in, if you live in a Wohnheim, a student hall, or residence, then electricity is already included in your rent. You don't need to set up a contract or do anything. If you live in a WG, a shared apartment, the situation is also straightforward. When you move in, there is usually already an electricity contract for the whole apartment. Everyone shares the cost. You don't need to create a new contract, you just join the existing system. But if you are moving into a private apartment, then this video is for you. You are responsible for choosing your electricity provider, setting up the contract, and understanding how to compare the prices. And that's exactly what we will cover. How electricity works in Germany. If you are moving and you haven't signed a new contract yet, don't panic. Your electricity will still work on. You will simply be in the local Grundversorgung, the basic supply offered by the local city provider. It's reliable, stable, but almost always the most expensive option. Think of it as the default plan for people who never switch. Hence, it's smart to switch to a cheaper provider right away. And yes, you are free to choose your electricity provider and you can do everything online within a few minutes. What you need before signing a contract. Whether you are moving into a place or switching from your old provider, the information you need is simple. Mietnummer or Zählernummer, meter reading or Zählerstand. And that's pretty much it. Both are usually in the handover protocol, Übergabe protocol you received with your keys. As we explained in video 4, the decision in this series. You can simply find the meter in the basement and get the meter number and current reading. Billing. How payments work. German electricity billing runs on a simple system. You pay a monthly Abschlag, an estimated amount. After a year, your real consumption is calculated. You either receive a refund or pay the difference. Your monthly rate is then adjusted based on your actual usage. So if you're careful with electricity, you save money automatically the next year. How electricity prices are calculated. Your electricity price consists of two parts. Grundpreis, the fixed monthly base price, Arbeitspreis, the price per kilowatt hour you actually consume. Companies estimate your annual consumption based on your household size. A typical rule of thumb, one person consumes around 1500 kilowatt hour per year. Each additional person consumes plus 1000 kilowatt hour. For example, with 1500 kilowatt hour per year, a €10 base fee and a €0.25, your final annual cost is around €495 or roughly €41 per month. After your first year, your monthly payment gets adjusted to your real consumption. Signing up for a provider. You can register directly on the provider's website or through comparison websites like Check24 or Verivox. You will enter your postal code, number of people in your household, or your estimated yearly consumption. As you can see in this example, at the top of the Check24 page, you will find your information. You will also see the local electricity provider listed first, and you will quickly notice that it's usually the most expensive option. Just below that, you will find a long list of alternative providers you can switch to. Check24 automatically shows the most popular and most frequently chosen options on the first page. For each provider, you can clearly see the Grundpreis, the fixed monthly fee, and the Arbeitspreis, which is the price per kilowatt hour. Most importantly, you also see the total monthly cost and the customer rating. So when you compare, don't just look at the price. Make sure the provider has solid reviews as well. Once you find an offer you like, the process is simple. Select the provider and go to the next page and enter the following details. Your personal details and bank information, meter number, and move-in date. Then you're done. The registration is straightforward and usually takes few minutes. The new provider contacts your old provider if any, cancels the contract on your behalf, and ensures a smooth switch. Important contract terms you must understand. Before choosing a provider, pay attention to these key terms. They affect your flexibility and long-term cost. Contract duration. Vertragslaufzeit oder Mindestvertragslaufzeit. Usually 12 to 24 months. You are locked in until it ends. Notice period. Kündigungsfrist. How early you must cancel before the contract renews automatically, usually before 4 weeks. Renewal period for laying a room. If you forget to cancel, many contracts extend for another 12 months. Price guarantee. This locks the price per kilowatt hour for a set time. Once the guarantee ends, your price may jump. Bonuses. Neukunden bonus, Sofort bonus. These look attractive, but they'll apply only in the first year and come with conditions. A low price without complicated bonuses is often safer. Green energy. A common misconception is that renewable electricity is more expensive. That's not true. Due to subsidies and competition, 100% green energy is often the same price or sometimes even cheaper than fossil fuels. Summary. To wrap it up, you automatically get electricity without signing anything. But the default option is expensive. Switching is easy, it is online and done within a few minutes. Your new provider handles everything for you. Compare contract terms carefully, not just the price. Pay attention to contract period, notice period, bonuses, and etc.